How to log on and log off PreBilt. When you launch PreBilt, the standard login screen will appear. Enter your SAP username and password. Then select Login. The process is simple and streamlined. If necessary and configured, you can change the language using the drop-down menu provided. After logging in, choose the appropriate warehouse, resource, and device type. When your selections are complete, select the forward navigation arrow to continue. To log off, select the Log Off button, located on the bottom footer bar. Then choose Save. You will be returned to the login screen.